It's not hard at all. You can build one simple funnel, one simple system that filters through all the broke and loose end leads and get you the hottest begging to buy leads. And funny thing is, this is the exact same funnel that Russell Brunson and Alex Hormozi preach in their podcast. And I'm going to show it to you in 3 simple steps today. I mean, I've even got a framework for you to replicate it to your process. The thing is, this is what Russell Brunson was speaking about in his podcast. He said, this funnel is the one funnel that rules them all. So every funnel you think about, the book call funnel, the form funnel, they fall in comparison to this one funnel. And what that funnel is, which he spends most advertising dollar on, is the front end client acquisition funnel. Now we have a lot of types of, but I just subjugated it to 3 simple funnels for you to replicate it. The first one is free webinar. Second one is free training, and the last one is a bit different, but I'll show you which one is for your audience in a second. Now, this is what Russell Brunson is running. He's spending, he's trying to spend more than $100,000 on this one funnel. His front-end client acquisition funnel, and that's the point is to get the qualified subscriber. And after you get the qualified subscriber, the more important part of getting the lead, getting the email, the name, is qualifying them for your main offer, which I will come to in a second. Now, the free training and the free webinar is long. It's more than 90 minutes long. So this is for risk-averse audience. If your audience is risk-averse, if your audience is 9-to-5ers, everyday college kids, they need a lot of selling. They need emotional selling. They need long story telling. So that's why you do free training and webinars. Lead magnet is a bit different. It's for any market except the hyper-aware agency space, because the agency space, they're just exposed to this. They do this, right? They ask people for first name and email. You can't just ask them for first name and email. It has to be really valuable. Now, the lead magnet funnel it has to be your first step. You need your potential client to take. So that means your lead magnet is the step 1 for your main offer to be the step 2. I'll give you an example. If you're scaling agencies, then agencies have to you have to help other people start agencies so to scale, right? Then that will be a lead magnet. And now let's go to what to never do, and I'll show you the examples of real coaches your competitors are doing. So this is a simple form, a free training form, and he has it like this. And then this one is a bit better because he has his bullets, but look at the bullets, it's like this. So this is to never do it. This too, right? He just, hey, this is what you're going to take, and this is a simple contact form, and I'll show you what to do in a second. And this is also a simple photo with a weird headline. Now, you've kind of got the example of the idea of what to do, but this is directly from the game, from Alex Hormozi. And by the way, don't quote me on this. It's not quote unquote, but he said this. All right, he said, having a simple bullet at the bottom of the lead magnet will bump up your conversions by 15%. Right, so this is crazy. Don't quote me the number again, but this is what he said in his podcast. So how we replicate it? We have the eyebrow copy right here. We have the headline copy right here to just introduce I'll show you examples in a second. We show you the opportunity that they copy without this stuff, and then we have to make it visual because all of these coaches are not making it visual. I'll show you how to make it visual in a second, and then you have it like this: get the lead magnet and the duration and the juicy bullets, and then the get lead magnet again. If you're doing a lead magnet, you have to follow this framework because Alex Hormozi and Russell Brunson, they're following this. So this is how I did it for these coaches. So we have this, right? This is a very very simple but not selling free training. You have it like this, right? A new age of making easy money. Making easy money online is here, and then you have the headline over here. You have the deck copy over here. You have a visual photo over here, and then yes, I want access to the free training. And then again, inside this 28-minute training, you'll discover, and then this docs, right? And then this too, right? You have it like this, simple, normal. People don't really care about it because they don't know about it. And then now you have a lot of things, right? The only ad funnel you need to set up in your business if you want more clients than you know what to do with. So when people get exposed to this, conversions will of course have to get up. Will have to get better. Now this was for today. It was a lot, but I finished it quick. If you're a high ticket coach, right, doing 10K per month, and you want to add 10 to 20 qualified appointments in your calendar, this is a guide that we have designed for you. You can completely take it for free. DM me pre-selling doc. This will help you pre-sell your audience before they even book a call. See you next week.